You look great.
Thanks, you look so bad yourself.
Thank you.
Thank you, yes.
Can you help me baking bread?
Oh boy, can I ever, yes.
What do you want to put in our bread?
My mouth.
No, what do you want to put it in?
My mouth. I want to put the bread in my mouth.
Okay, once we bake it, we can taste together, okay?
Yeah, okay, let's do it.
So I just got sourdough starter kit, and this is my day one. I'm joining sourdough making group. Oh no, I already make a mess. 46, 48, 50. This is 50. 49. 50 grams of starter, and then I add 50 grams of water. Okay. Wow, that's a lot. I'll shoot 55. Onion. Okay. Friday, 14. Put the label here. The height. Okay. And I have to leave in the room temperature for overnight, right?
Overnight.
So I'm gonna keep this one in the room temperature. So this is day one. I was so excited, so I made 2. I can't wait tomorrow.
Next morning.
Good morning. Okay, they kind of tablet. Amazing. Oh. Very bubbly.
This is ingredients: all-purpose flour, 50 grams.
Okay.
Water, 350 grams.
Okay.
Leaven, started, 100 grams.
Okay. $99. Well, I need a bigger bowl. Oh.
Wanna go down? Come back later? Wanna go down?
You
No.
wanna- Okay, everybody.
So salt is part of the active solution.
No, salt gonna kill the yeast.
Then why is there salt in the...
In the end, I think. Oh my gosh,
Oh wait.
feels so good. Suji. Am I doing wrong?
Maybe.
What?
Says, in a medium to large bowl, mix flour and water until incorporated.
What?
Let rest 30 to 2 minutes. Add leaven until well incorporated with no visible streaks. Mix salt in thoroughly. I guess we'll see. I think it looks, I don't know. I'm gonna reserve judgment until I taste it.
Okay. Do you think I
It's pretty
might?
ugly though. Not pretty like me.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. You can relax and then come back, okay?
I wanna go have a snack.
Okay.
For all my hard work.
I think this one doesn't look right. I think I fucked up.
30 minutes later.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna add salt. Okay, salt. A bit water. Whoa. I feel like this dough is a little stiff than I saw on the YouTube video. Good night.
A few hours later.
Oh!
Pretty good. Isn't it?
I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna do one more stretch and fold and then wait.
What's next?
I'm gonna leave it for another half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And then I think I have to shape it. Okay. Salvador, you're very needy. Okay, going back to your favorite spot, aka in the oven.
30 minutes later.
Do you think this might prove nice?
Looks pretty good.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh! Oh my gosh! This is giant! No?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, see this? Hold it like this. Hold it like this. Hold it like this. Hold it like this.
You're doing it!
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, it's like a bamba.
Bamba? Like a mochi. Soft. Okay, you're gonna sleep half an hour. Good night.
Come on. 30 minutes later.
What do you think, Suji?
That was amazing. Except I can't see anything.
You wanna see a bit?
Yeah. Oh,
What do you think?
Oh, looks like it's coming along nicely.
Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna eat so much bread.
Sorry?
I'm gonna eat so much bread.
Yes. Can you eat so much bread?
Yeah, I think I can have it with pate.
It's so dark now.
It's pretty dark.
Bye.
Amazing.
Amazing. Okay.
Yeah, so far so good.
And then remove the flour.
Yeah, remove it. Remove it all the flour.
And then tucking from. That's what she did. And hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. And then hold it. So you guys stick together. Stick together. And then
You're doing it. Amazing.
okay.
Yeah,
Look!
amazing.
And then
Truly amazing.
she put like this.
Take off.
No, no, no! I wanna put here. Should I suppose put the floor? Nice, guys. Okay, please relax. This is your new house for next 24 hours. Okay. So I'm gonna put the flour. Fantastic, baby. Police. Good night, baby. I'm gonna put in the refrigerator and tomorrow I can bake.
Yeah,
Yes.
let's do it. Next morning.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you wanna come here?
Yeah, I'm gonna come here.
This is day 3.
This is day 3. This is where am I? I'm here. Can you just slice me the end piece?
Not
I'm just
yet.
gonna have the crusty end piece, okay?
Not yet. I show everybody.
Yeah. Let's eat it now.
I proof it overnight.
Yeah.
This bread is freaking big. I'm gonna flip it.
I'm gonna flip it for you.
No. 3, 2.
Oh my gosh. This is very exciting.
Yes. And they're supposed to cut.
Now you can't see me though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better.
Very, very good. Okay,
Okay.
better.
I'm gonna cut.
Okay, now you.
I don't have a knife.
Yeah.
like a sharp knife, so I'm gonna use pizza.
I'm gonna have the end piece.
Okay, should I cut like this?
However you like. You can carve your initials into it, or my initials into it. You just have to do one cut.
Yes, because I'm not pro. So
Okay.
okay. Let's go. Let's go to the kitchen.
Let's go to the kitchen, everybody.
Okay.
Let's go!
Where's the cameraman? Okay, thank you, cameraman. Come here, cameraman.
Let's do it!
Come, cameraman. This way. Okay. I'm gonna set cameraman. You can stay here. Here you go. I'm gonna put this one here. This one is hot too, so. Good night. Okay, going back to the oven. Can you set the timer?
Alexa, can you set the timer for 20 minutes?
20 minutes. Starting now.
Good job, thank you.
I'm ready.
Watch out your nose.
I'm gonna watch out my nose. Please, watch out my nose, please. Oh!
What do you think?
Can I have a piece? I'd like an end piece with butter on it, please.
Not yet.
Yeah, well, it's hot. Butter with just has it nice and hard, eh?
Nice.
Yeah. You can have a piece too if you want.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I wanna eat this crispy part. It's very
I like crispy parts too.
tiny bit.
Tiny crispy bit, please. Pulls up!
I'm very happy, Suji. We did a good job, I think. Eh? Yeah, see. I know you have to wait to cool down, okay? Okay. Please, you can keep eye on it. Thank you very much.
Yeah, come from this side so I can... That's my piece.
That's my piece.
Okay, next one is...
Suppose you wait as long as you can. You should not eat fresh bread.
Yeah, you should wait at least a week, they say, before you can actually eat it.
I
I kinda like the look of that.
don't know. What do you think?
I think it looks pretty good, but I think I would have to try it.
Maybe overproofed a bit.
Maybe can I try a bit? I'm gonna... Okay.
This is a bread.
Okay, you might have to cut that for me, but...
I'm gonna give you center.
What? That's Dad's favorite part.
What do you think?
Delicious!
Okay, I
Yes,
want Joe to
right on the
try
best.
it.
All right. Oh, it's warm. It's like it's just fresh off the photocopy machine. Try this one.
Do you think it's good?
Excellent.
Ah,
You get some
salt?
to sprinkle on.
Okay.
Delicious.
Thank you. I'm very happy.
A little bit of salt.
Touch.
You can use a finger.
What?